if there's anything about reviews, it's that I'm like one of the least possible people to get a new car and review it first. But today, that's going to change for this particular review. Not this, but this. So, I found this at my local Target on the day of my birthday. Yep, today, like on the 20th, at the time you're reading this, like 3 days ago. The 20th was my birthday, guys. And you know what? This is all I got. Well, I have a few Trackmaster trains I got. They're from that 75th anniversary thing. But apart from that, we're going to be reviewing Team 95 Luigi and Guido made in Vietnam. And also, dinoco Cruz with tool cart, which I really wanted. So let's get these boys, these two open. Cruz out. I got Cruz out. Reason why I don't really want to bring up the Thailand and also the beach versions of these. So I'm just gonna bring up Cruz as herself and Luigi as well. So, I don't really want to waste time looking for like multiple characters that have like different artistic skills. Alright, got Guido and Luigi out. Now I use Luigi's hat in order to review these boys up. So here's Luigi out of the packaging. His eyes are really out of detail, especially with his eyes. Every other part just looks the same as regular Luigi without his hat. And here we have Guido with sign. It has the 90. Has the team that he's sponsoring for. Has a lightning bolt like made of lightning bolt. I wanted it to bring made of lightning bolt, but I didn't really want to bring out lightning bolt characters of variants. So I see Guido has a new expression, a little bit, like how they made his signs a little different to make it more iconic that he's cheering along. Anyways, I'm just gonna like this, just to see what Luigi looks like with his hat on. And wow, it's pretty amazing. Doesn't look that bad. It looks really, really good. With the hat, it makes him a little more better. Just the details on his eyes that needs to change. But other than that, I like these two. These two are not my main favorites. I wish I could call them my favorites from the fan favorites, but I just can't. Look how corny they look. But there's one character I know that's not corny, and that's Cruz. Now this is a Vietnam variant as well. I checked the packaging of her, and she's a Vietnam variant. So let me sure. Yep, made in Vietnam. So I wanted to get this version of Cruz because the Thailand version I really didn't want to use that for my series, so I decided to use this for when Cruz gets back to her normal self, which possibly won't be for a very long time because I have rocket racing, I have drag racing, I haven't even gotten into mud racing. I just showed off their models. I mean, not really, because I haven't made the next episode, which is like episode 8. So that's gonna present the mud racing, and there's gonna be some racing. I'm gonna use like iMovie. If you guys don't know, I use iMovie to make my videos if I want to make multiple scenes. and 51 dinoco, nothing much for the tool cart, just for another random tool cart to keep from my collection. And if you want to know which specific metallic engines I got, yep, I got metallic engines. I got Percy and Nia first, then I'm expecting Thomas from my dad, and I'm expecting a lot more cars because I basically finished the whole case from now. The recent case, like, is it KC? Yeah, it must be KC. But for now, this is Car Shade wishing a very late birthday. But tomorrow I'm gonna be having more stuff to review. Maybe some hot rod stuff like the whole case of KC. But you know, I mean, these guys look very cool. I mean, but they don't really have the same statistics as any other Guidos I have, and Luigi's, like the Thailand Guido I can compare to, but Thailand Luigi, I think Thailand Luigi's better. If you were supposed to compare them both, but for now, it's all gonna change. That's probably for the best for now. But anyways, this is Karsten saying peace and wishing, hopefully you guys wish me a very happy birthday for, like, even though my birthday's already passed for like 3 days right now. I'm gonna be going to like Chuck E. Cheese because I haven't been there for like ages. And if any people who have made Chuck E. Cheese are watching this, please make Chuck E. Cheese like reasonable for kids who have birthday parties, and also close to like destinations where all people can like go, and not like limited places, like limited countries and such. So yeah, I don't know why this video was short. It felt like even longer than I even wanted it to be. But anyways, this is Karsten saying peace, and I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully with some more stuff to review, and possibly with some stuff to make. And I'll see you in the next video, and this is Karsten saying peace.